Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with the basics. Power off the headset and remove the facial interface to see the strap mounts. Use your thumbs to press the top and side adjustment tabs because those tabs lock tension and must be released first. Once done, loosen both side straps evenly by roughly 1/2 to 1 full turn so the band can move freely. This prevents uneven stretching later. Make sure to keep parts on a soft surface to avoid scratches. You now put the headset on and use the rear dial to bring the fit into range. Turn slowly so you feel the band hug the back of your head. Then shift the foam forward or back to balance weight over your temples, which reduces forehead pressure and improves optics alignment. Next, slightly tighten or loosen each side strap until the headset sits level on your face. This equalizes pressure and keeps lenses centered. If you feel tilt, rebalance by adjusting just one side, not both. You finish by reseating the facial interface, making sure each tab clicks into place, then lock the rear dial so nothing shifts during play. Next, test the headset for IPD and image clarity, and wear it for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm comfort under movement. If the strap slips forward during use, tighten the rear dial by 1/4 turn and readjust the side straps. If you still feel pressure points, insert a thin foam shim behind the top strap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.